Hi guys, this is Miss Jess from the Pequannock Library, and I am taking a walk because for our science project this week we need leaves, and it's fall, and boy are there leaves out here. So I started collecting. What you're going to need are all different colors. Try and find some really bright ones or ones that are lots of different colors, because we are going to be separating the colors from the leaves. So if you have a leaf that is multiple colors, then maybe we can make some sort of fancy results with that. So let's get hunting. All right, what do we have here? See a nice bright red one. That's nice. And yellow. Very nice. What else do we have? Like a brownish. Good. What else? Oh, there's one over here. There's a nice couple of bright red ones. So I'm going to take those with me and add them to my collection. I'm looking for greens and reds and purples. Nice bright yellows. Look at them, there's so many to choose from. Wow. Happy fall is right. There's just so many, I don't even know where to start. Look at them. I bet you have a lot of leaves near your house too, right? So make sure you check near those trees or even in your driveway. Try and find a really nice green one, a yellow one. See if you can find a red one, a nice bright red one. It seems the hardest to find a green one because they're all still attached to the trees. So let me show you what I found so far. Oh, quite a collection here. So I got some yellows. I got this one. Look at this one. Can you imagine the size of that tree? I did find a yellowish. I found a green. What do I have here? Oh, the red ones are so pretty. No trouble finding nice bright red ones. So something like this is all different colors. So I'm wondering if we can separate each color. That'll be an interesting one. Nice brown. Oh, I did find another green one. So, oh no, it's blue! All right, I'm gonna go chase after my leaves. Good luck. Hi guys, it's me again. Okay, so while it's still light out and warm and sunny and beautiful, get out there, take a walk, collect some leaves in a bag. Get a whole bunch. They won't go to waste because you can always do more science projects with them or arts and crafts stuff. And then once you get a good collection, lots of different colors, meet me back here in a few hours or so, and then I'll show you the science project we're doing for the day. See you soon. Bye. So here are the 4 different leaves that I chose. This leaf was just all green. This one is yellow, a little bit of brown. That one's red. And then this one is kind of a reddish, orangish, yellowish. So I'm hoping that those colors will separate into different colors. So now once you have the different leaf colors that you'd like in your little containers, you're going to tear them up into teeny tiny little bits like this. Or if you have like a mortar and a pestle, you can do that. You can crunch them up, or with like the back of a spoon. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now that we've pulverized those leaves, we're going to take our rubbing alcohol and we're going to pour a little bit in each. You want to make sure that you cover all of your leaves. There you go. Make sure you have adult supervision, of course. You might even want to wear your mask because this is pretty strong smelling alcohol. All right, how did we do? All right, looks good. Get the cap back on there. Okay, that's all for that step. Okay, so now we're going to give our little cups what's called a hot water bath. You're going to take hot water, I put this in the microwave for about 3 minutes, and you're going to pour it into the container, not into the container where the leaves are, into this kind of tin here where it's sitting. And that's going to speed up the chemical process. Okay, get back over there. See, I'm using these little mitts here to protect my hands. You should probably have an adult handle hot water. Okay, then we're gonna let that sit for a bit and then move on to the next step. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. The next step we're going to do is cut some coffee filters, and you're going to place the end in there and kind of let the top part hang out like that. So I'm going to do one for each. One here and one here. You can see that the rubbing alcohol is already starting to kind of change the water a little bit. You can see a green tint there, a little bit of a multicolored, a little bit, mostly in the brown you can see it. So the rubbing alcohol will draw the pigments out of the leaves, and this is called leaf chromatography. So we're going to now wait a couple of hours, and then we're going to check back and see if everything goes as planned. The alcohol will carry the pigments from the leaves up the paper and separate them into different colored bands. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so this is Jess again, a mad scientist from Pequannock Library. I actually had to do this overnight, so this is part 2 of the science experiment. So this was the leaf chromatography, and you can see here, so this is the color here. This was the yellow, and you can see at the top right here, we've got a nice yellow line, and then down here is the green. So there's the green and the yellow from that one. Just the green leaf only had the green on the bottom here. And the brown, we have the green, and then we have the brown at the top here. And then this one, the red one, you've got the green, and then you've got a nice red strip, and you actually have some yellow there too. That was the leaf that I had that had some red and some yellow in it, so that's pretty cool. So the alcohol carried the pigments from the leaves up through the paper and spread them into the different colored bands. So the science behind this is that leaves contain chlorophyll, which give it their green color. And those are the green bands that each one of them has on the bottom there. And in fall, the chlorophyll breaks down and the other pigments are revealed. And those are the colors on the top. Oh, look at that red, that's really nice. So the yellow is xanthophyll. The orange that you see in some of the leaves is carotenoids, and the red purple is called anthocyanins. I'm not a scientist, I just play one on TV. And these colorful pigments are also the pigments that cause bananas to be yellow, carrots to be orange, and peppers and grapes to be red and purple. Oh, okay. So I recommend that you leave your science experiment overnight to get the best results. You can really see it there. So have fun, and you can use the rest of your leaves for more science or arts and crafts projects. See you next time.